Alrighty, so welcome back to Novatazz. Obviously, I'm Novatazz. This is Novatazz Customs, and I have my kids with me today. And I also have Alan from AKcamaro2017 here. He is the winner of my giveaway, my 1,500 subscriber giveaway. And he came to come check out the cars and come meet me. And also got his shirt already, which is great for Teespring to be able to get it out to me so quickly. So I'm going to give him his shirt, and he's going to check out my cars for a little while, and we're going to go out and go see the Novas as well. And a lot of and-does, aren't I? See, I'm not no professional either. So anyway, so he's got his shirt. He's going to check out the TA and the truck. And it's a shame that I have it apart so much, because it would have been really nice to have it started so he could hear it. But that's not going to happen today. So let's get checking out these, and then we'll head out to the Novas and we'll check out those. All right, so we're here at the Novas, and we're going to take Alan down here to come check them out. In fact, that's where the TA sat for the longest time. A lot of the photos on my Instagram were from that corner. And then we got the Novas here. I'm going to turn the camera around here real quick. All right, so we got, this is my original Nova here. This is Christine. She was an inline 6, all gold, with a tan tweed interior car. She had 43,000 original miles on her when I picked her up. And I had her daily driven for about 10 years. I daily drove her. Ended up doing 2 engine swaps. Had a 305 V8 in it, and the motor that's in it now currently, which is the 350. And has a built trans, street strip trans with a stage 2 clutch pack in it. I can pop the hood here. Maybe. In fact, actually, that's the original rims off of my green Ram. Of my donor car, which is, goddamn, which is this baby here. Now, there are some damage to this one as well. I do have the same damage up here in the quarter, but I do have all of these parts. I already have this whole section here, and I have brand new quarters for it. This car is going to get basically the same treatment as the one behind me. It's getting tubbed, so it's getting mini tubs to be able to fit 15-inch wide tires in it. So I'm going to bring the wheel wells all the way back to the frame. I'll probably notch the frame to make the frame, the wheel tub straight. It's getting a lift in the back, and the front nose will be dropped down low. And that's my babies. Like I said, hopefully we'll be getting on these in the springtime, if not over the winter, depending on when the Trans Am gets. That's where I'm at, and this is what I've got going on. So we'll say goodbye to Alan here, and
see you guys.
it's cold, man. But oh wait, we need to go check out your car real quick.
Okay.
So we'll go up and check out his car. That's hands in the pockets. All right, so we have AK Camaro's 2017?
Yeah.
2017 Mustang. It is the 6-cylinder, but it looks like a pretty badass car. All right, so you want to tell me a little bit about it as we go around it?
All right, so I mean, right off the bat, you'll notice it's got a shit ton of GoPros on it. Right now, there's currently 10 installed because I don't have but there's 2 here, 1 there, back window, dash, and then there's also 1 in the grill, and then obviously mirrored on the other side. I'm planning on, before next summer, changing these out and getting some probably 19-inch black rims on it, because I really can't stand the alloy look.
With all the other black accents you have on it.
Yeah, there's like nothing else that ties that. Even just from factory, I don't know why they didn't put black on it, because there's nothing that ties that in. The one thing I have been working on is putting the carbon fiber on, which so far we have the the louvers, and then I put the 350R wing on it, which I think actually looks nice. And the 350R itself doesn't even have a carbon fiber wing. It's actually, I think it's fiberglass or ABS. So that's actually a huge upgrade even from that. The next mod...
We might want to move down here to talk, just because if I'm trying to get your voice in here, I'm not going to hear it with all the cars going by.
Yeah. So for right now I have the carbon fiber bra on. I didn't ever really intend on having a bra on this, but for right now I wanted to find a affordable way to tie in some of the carbon fiber from the back up to the front. I want to actually switch out the hood and the side fenders, but the hood alone is like $1,500 and the fenders are $900 for those. So I figured I would do this for right now just to bring in the color. But once I get the hood and the fenders done, I'm just going to get a clear vinyl bra on it that doesn't have this appearance. It'll just look, stock at that point, just bare paint.
Right.
But I'll still have the protection on it.
You done any interior engine mods to it? Is it all stock? Huh?
As far as the interior, it's basically stock. I mean, you can see here, like my whole dash. This stuff here alone already looks like a carbon fiber, which is kind of where I got the idea from, but it's really not carbon. It's just plastic. So I will end up switching that out for a real carbon fiber dash. But under here we have a Corsa intake, and then I've added a throttle body spacer here. That one's made by Air Raid.
Guys, so there you have it. We have shown off AKcamaro's 2017 Mustang. Be sure to go check out his channel. We also did go out and go look at all of my cars. I didn't film so much of that, but main focus was to make sure we got him his shirt, and we checked out his Mustang. So be sure to go check out his channel. The link will be in the description. And until next time, peace. Have a nice day.